Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys where I started, honey, and where I'm at today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shayna. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. If you're not new, welcome back. And here you could see the total transformation of my front yard in just one video. This wasn't that easy. One video did cut it, but you guys see and know the hard work I put in. These are all pictures as the before, the progress. I don't have pictures of before, but this is just the progress as I go along. So keep watching, and if you like what you see here, go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like what you see here. Click the notification bell, make sure it's on, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified when I do so. And also, go ahead and share it out with your friends and family. This way they won't miss out either, okay? Now guys, what I want you to do when you're done watching these, if you think you like what you see here, this is just in front of my house, a part of in front of my house. There's tons more video, tons more pictures that I am not going to be sharing in this small clips here. I just wanted to show you just these two areas that I focus on. And if you're interested in, when you're done watching this video, go ahead and check out my playlist that I did with all the work in the front of the yard for the spring and summer of this year that I've done this year, okay? And I say this is from where I started to where I am at today's date. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Click that notification bell, okay? Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.